Right, croeso i'r stream. Heddiw ni'n chwarae, beth di e, semi-finals heddiw, rwy'n meddwl? Semi-finals o'r Twrnamaint Fifa. A mae Rhys wedi dod i'r semi-finals. Ac pwy ti'n yn erbyn?
Rwy'n erbyn Dylan, pwy nath curo ti.
Dylan, yr un oedd yn absolutely smash o fi yn y round cyntaf.
Na i roi Ethernet play hwnna?
Tynnu allan o'r un ar. So mae'n mynd i bod yn diddorol. Ni yn cael Morgan ar y stream hefyd, ond mae'n mewn tractor ar y foment. Ond bydd e'n efo ni mewn cwbl o funudau. Okie-dokie. Right, so bydd yr game gyntaf yn dechrau'n soon, sa'n siŵr pryd.
Just check your network connection?
Rip.
Gobeithio, mae dim yn lawr o.
Hopefully. Let me just gweld y webcams. Un Morgan wedi mynd yn huge ar o'r fyw arall. Let me just troi lawr. Rymeddwl rwy wedi trwsio'r problem ble roedd fel y Skype videos yn resize trwy'r amser. Hopefully rwy wedi trwsio hwnna. Fingers crossed. Just resize o rhain funud. Oh my god, enough, lots of feedback. Nobody stop? Yeah. Mae'n y feedback loop yn mynd o'r mic fi a wedyn y laptop o'r hyn FIFA.
Right. Ydy Dylan yn barod?
Sa'n siŵr? Fe wedi anfon invite neu rhywbeth? Helo!
Iawn.
Good.
Faint amser tan kick-off?
Sa'n siŵr. Sa'n siŵr. Ni'n just aros am yr invite, rwy'n meddwl.
Okay. So, tybed, ydw i'n gallu gwylio, achos fi ar mobile fi nawr, ti'n credu bod e'n bosib i fi wylio Twitch trwy mobile fi, heb creu feedback a gallu clywed chi?
Probably. Os ti'n just... os mae ddim yn... bydd yn probably fine os mae ddim yn loud.
Get mute o'r Twitch ydw i. Okay, na i trio hwnna, right? Okay, cool. Cos mae gwell achos gyda ffôn fi, achos mae mast 3 mobile phone ar y tir, so fe'n actually well mas yma yn agosach i'r mast.
Beth, sorry?
O'n i'n dweud, mae mobile phone mast gyda ni ar y tir, sy'n... Oh my gosh, mae'n neud resize thing. Ydw i'n well os fi'n dalu fel hyn?
Yeah, dyna ni.
Fi'n edrych yn really terrible. Oh my god. Okay, a sec. Mute.
Oh, ar y chat, mae Connor
Fi'n cael
124
double
wedi dweud, let's go Dylan. Oh.
O, pwy ti'n meddwl ti yn? Ti eisiau fake new fe?
Fi'n mute fe then ar hwn. Chat, na ddim angen chat.
Jo in, dwi yn jo drop. Jo dian.
Oh god.
Rhaid bod mae'n option, os ti could just like pretty pause of it, mae'n fel ar y
Mae di anfon I un y
bottom chwith neu
station.
rhywbeth. Fi'n check o nawr ar y Twitch app.
Right, fe'n chwarae fan Man United.
Man United, ooh!
Rwy'n mynd I fynd efo girls.
O na, does dim mute button ar Twitch.
Pai.
That's annoying. Does dim mute button ar y Twitch app.
Ddim ar un mobile though.
Na, rwy'n methu gweld
Oh,
un ar y
weird.
ffôn fi hyd.
Camera off. People's champ. No, gallu gweld hwnnw. Right, fi
France yn erbyn Paris.
Sorry.
Tîm yn cael la.
trio sort o hwn.
France yn erbyn Paris.
Right, dwi hapus efo tîm yna. Pamai.
Rhaid fi ffeindio rhyw dyfais arall te. Internal playback options. Background audio.
Fi'n nerfus. Sio. Bam. O, sydd
Oh.
na. Mae'n dechrau.
O, mae'r game yn dechrau, Morgan.
Oh god, get on with it then. Be rhaid I fi... I wonder... You know beth... Tell you beth os fi'n... Rhaid fi just ffeindio ffordd o muto'r... thing.
Tell us how this match is going to pan out. Who can gain the upper hand?
Ooh.
Who can get hold of this ball? And that's
O,
all the
beth yna.
Not interesting how France would line up today. Here it is.
O, iawn o.
O, na!
Take the lead.
O! O, stolen it. Wedi dwyneb ag
Fi'n
fo.
nerfus wedyn.
Nick of time.
O! Mae hwnna'n neis.
Verratti. Cavani.
O, nice a troi hwnna. O!
Neymar.
O! Back heel!
Edinson Cavani.
Beth di hwnna?
O, na, roedd
Beth
hwnna'n...
oedd hwnna?
Roedd hwnna'n gwael.
Sorry.
O, oce, mae jyst yn neud fi.
O!
Oh my god.
Right,
Oh.
plenty yna.
Rhaid fi ddim yn mynd spoilio fe beth.
Reit.
Beth fi'n mynd i wneud? Fi'n mynd i'n ffeindio sgrin arall neu iPad arall neu rhywbeth.
Yeah.
Ond mae bwy... Chi fel... Chi'n gallu sylwebu nawr I fi gwybod beth sy'n digwydd. Oh.
Yeah, fi fi
Just fel...
Thomas Meunier. Mbappe.
Oh.
Cavani.
O, mae Rhys mewn y gofe. O! 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 Gwn! O! Mae gen ti 2 chance fan yna! O, mae fe'n botl o fo! O, na!
Cleverly done.
O! Mae'n reit lawr mewn y hanner Rhys. Mae'n y gol.
Mbappe.
Ydy yn mynd i cael y mewn. Os!
Oh, you have
You're
no
in!
Nah!
You're right
Nah!
in!
Nah!
Oh! A mae
Oh, mae o'n
1-0 i Dylan.
O, na.
Hwna'n joke. Dylse fi di sgorio.
He followed his instincts.
O, get in.
Hwna'n gael un. Rhys yn cael 2 chance o rybyn botl o fo. Wedyn Rhys just coming in.
Just to make sure you follow shots in that you're in the danger.
Oh, Rhys, come on. Tynnu dy hunain gyda'i gilydd. Come on.
Mae Dylan yn 90 munud. Mae unrhyw beth gallu.
Nes i just notice o, mae dim yn 10 munud a hanner. Dim yn 10 munud a hanner, ydy?
I must say, each passing year we talk about
Ydy wedi settle am 10 munud hanner?
No, mae'n very set.
Is astounding.
Yes, it is. I mean,
Oh.
it's been in place for a lot of years, and they've updated it. And they expect a successful football team to be playing in it.
Good one-on-one skills. Pogba.
Ei dod nôl nawr. Mewn 2 munud, fi jyst angen
Oh!
It's a goal.
Sgôr i Dylan eto.
Well, if you look back through the
2-0.
archives, you'll see that this
Oh,
player
nah.
has scored quite a few from these kind of distances, and it isn't a
Oh,
it's a decent move, and get some space in a crowded penalty area.
Mae'n mynd yn lucky
Just
ar
right
ei yno beth ti'n
margin here to 2-0.
mynd i ddweud.
Mae yn. Hwna'n video,
Thiago Silva. Now Bernat.
Oh,
Verratti.
Ti offi yna?
Mae gen ni fan am Dylan yn y chat yn dweud, come on Dylan.
Neymar. Bernat. Well, this could be dangerous in a wide
Mae
position.
Dylan yn cael o bil.
Well, space to get the cross in.
Interception,
Trying
nice.
to force the pass, and it went
Ready
straight
to
to
lawr
the
mewn
opponent.
i'r canol. Ah,
Offside.
way offside fan'na.
Flag straight away for the offside.
Well, he's a quick runner, this boy, and if he just delays it for a second, you'd still get in.
Oh!
Steered through.
Oh!
An important
Oh.
interception that.
Sgwr o gol am unwaith. Be'n mynd
That'll be a
switch
corner
trwy
for
amser?
France.
Rwy'n meddwl rwy'n mynd i bod yn trydydd fi
In
fan'na.
from Antoine Griezmann. Gone for the header.
Bron
We'd love
wedi
to
bod
see
yn
that,
head.
especially you, Alan, but you could head it much, much better than this one.
Well, you've got to be committed to those headers, and he wasn't quite.
Idrissa Gana Gay. Mbappe.
Oh, nice, mae yna hanner. Hanner
Mbappe.
Dylan nawr. Oh, foul!
A poor technique there.
Hwna'n melyn.
Well, that's a yellow card.
Yeah, I don't think there's any choice there from the ref.
That was an easy decision for the ref.
Cerdyn
Once you
cyntaf y
people in
gêm.
the crowd
Melyn
howling for
i
him to be punished for that. Certainly didn't get
un
the
o'r
ball.
players Dylan.
He might just try and catch the keeper unawares with a shot. Maybe hope for a deflection.
And he's seen the shot.
What was that?
Superb goalkeeping from Hugo Lloris.
I don't think another keeper in world football has got better reflexes than the Frenchman.
Oh!
Beth!
Free kick
Oh,
for
paid
France.
y de. That's
Sut na
pathetic.
fi doedd hwnna free kick.
Mbappe.
Mbappe!
Well, they couldn't keep possession. They've given it away.
Sut ydyn ni'n mynd i dod trwy y defence hwnna? Oh!
Well, he's read that, hasn't he, and made the interception. Made it look easy, actually. Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. Just caught
Oh!
in two minds, I think, the attacking team then, but the defender wasn't.
Wedi rhoi ei ffwrdd hwnna.
Ben Yedder. Chance to go at the opposition with pace. Trying to steer it through. And really get at the opposition here.
Right, fi'n gwylio fe trwy iPad fi nawr.
Gwych.
It's a heavy touch.
Mae Rhys angen trio cael cadw calm head fan hyn.
Pogba threading it through.
Oh! Goal chance fan hyn. Oh!
Mbappe.
Goal, 100%. Great
Oh,
lead.
no, not
Well, now
pathetic.
it looks like a
Hwnna
question
yn
of just how
pathetic.
many they really
Hwnna
are
yn
on top
pathetic.
now.
Outskilled
Catching
hwnna.
the lead,
Nah, he's not
looking like the
skilled.
real
He's
winners of
on
this
a
match.
dumb chwarae.
Well, it was a gift. Strikers dream about moments like this. A tap in.
No, no, mae'n sali fel mae Rhys yn colli ei cwl
What is
tipyn bach.
literally an open goal, and he wasn't going to miss it.
Rhoi
Well,
eich
it's not
game
easy to
het
find
ar
the
ôl.
spirit here that they're going to need in these circumstances as they kick off again.
Mae'r sgôr yn
It's
3-0.
cut out.
Oh dear, 3-0.
Matuidi. Ben Yedder.
Fi di mute chi rhywset. Munud.
Neymar. Verratti. Cavani. Mbappe.
Oh,
Saw it
yeah,
coming,
joke,
cut it out.
man.
Good work.
O,
O, chi'n cael pethau hyfryd yn cael ei dweud amdano chi, Rhys.
It's a very good interception.
Oh dear.
Mbappe. They're looking good when they attack.
Come on, boy.
o, mae'n wympor allan. Mae'n pause o'r game.
Right, efallai. Right. Good name, man. Come on, Dylan boy.
Fi ddim yn gallu clywed chi am ryw reswm. Fi'n credu fi wedi gwasgu bwt yma'r ffôn fi am paid ffoni, jyst anwybyddu fe. Fi'n gallu gweld y gêm. 3-0. Ffrainc yn ennill. Disaster.
Dwi'n, ie, mae'n... Ar y funud, mae'n ennill, ond... Gobeithio, mae'n... Hwp, mae'n mynd i dump ni.
Throw in for Paris Saint-Germain, where they are normally strong in midfield. They've been weak today, and this lad's going to pay the price for that. He's the one replaced, so they needed to get a bit of coal into the engine in the engine room, I think.
Yeah, he just seemed to lack legs, and as a result, the opposition were able to gain ground and dominate the middle of the park, and that's been decisive.
Neymar. Icardi.
Wow.
Edinson Cavani. Cavani. Mauro Icardi. Cavani.
Goal chance. Nice!
Come on, boys. Come on.
Dyma fe.
How long's it been on? 1 or 2 minutes, I'm not sure, but he's marked his appearance here with a wonderful goal.
3-1 the scoreline as we restart the game.
O, mae'r ffôn Morgan wedi marw.
Good
A ni'n
work,
stuck
really.
efo sideways llun
Intention of the pass.
o'r pen fe.
Cavani. Neymar. Icardi. Mbappe. Bernat. Pogba.
Ie, fi gael gwared o'r...
Well, they're getting the ball forward.
o'r
They need
gwyneb
to
ti
do that.
nawr.
Pogba. On to Griezmann. Top performance from a top team.
O,
They've
beth oedd hwnna?
emphasised their superiority with the number of goals that they've scored.
Hold up. Dim completes on
For
goal.
France,
Na,
a big
dim
goal,
complaints am goal
and
hwnna.
it looks like a biggish win.
I think so, they've won the
Surprising.
balls, and
Yeah,
deservedly
well,
so.
it was.
Well, here we go again, and they can't wait to get the ball back from the kickoff and try and get another one. Meunier. It's Marquinhos. Bernat. Verratti. This is excellent from Paris Saint-Germain. He's looking for the cross. No nonsense defending, it was needed. Ben Yedder. Couldn't hold on to the ball. Icardi, trying to get the ball in behind. Mbappe. Well, that's a great
Oh!
block.
What was that?
This like 10 hours ago, sitting at me down ready now.
Out into the wide areas now.
Right, rydym siŵr beth wedi gwasgu
Benjedder.
fan ar Twitch. Wedi gwasgu
Mbappe.
rhyw button. Oopsie.
Striding forward, purposefully. Griezmann.
Oh!
That's his second today. He's certainly got his shooting boots on.
Oh, you
He's the
decided
kind
it.
of player that can put his straps like this. Excellent day for him.
Have you got Ricky Dara here, Henry?
He took it with great aplomb. I'm sure getting the first goal gave him the confidence to grab the second chance here. I have to say it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team that are racking up the goals.
Ond, mae'n smash it.
Pogba. Benjedder. Griezmann. He's lost the ball. Verratti. Icardi. Really in the clear now.
Oh!
Comes up with the goal again
boys.
to add
Come
another
on.
to his long list of strikes for this team.
Hold on, nice.
Well, lots of
Syth
goals
mewn
here
i'r,
to
um,
digest here. 5-2. Still
i'r,
time to play.
I don't know. Sa'n gwylio football, sa'n siŵr beth I dweud I commentator game.
Mbappe. Referee's
The
had a
ball
good
went
look
in the
and
goal.
decided
Here we go,
what
boys.
he's seen from this period of play to add on 3 minutes. Neymar. It's good work here in terms of possession. Can they find the final pass? The tackling is a real skill. Could be a cross here. It could be dangerous.
I booked.
Corner now.
Nawr os ti eisiau, Rhys, fi ti gallu tri gwneud y
Here he is.
tactic fi.
Oh my.
Literally, mae gen i'r best tactic ar FIFA 20. Oherwydd, mewn FIFA, mae yna rhyw weird, like, it's like a bug, neu rhywbeth. Where, like, mewn actual football, os mae game yn cael ei abandoned, os mae fel un tîm yn cael 5 red card, a mae'r game cael ei abandoned, mae'r,
Is the man with the
basically
German name, born
the opposition,
in France,
yr un sydd
very
ddim
much
wedi
a
cael ei
French
red
international,
card.
but so much of his
Mae'r
life
sgôr nhw,
spent
os
in
mae
Spain,
below
and maybe
3,
that's why
mae'n
he's
mynd
such
lan
a
I
good
3,
player
a
with
wedyn
all
mae'r
his
game yn
different
cael ei
background.
galw fel
Looks to
3-0
him.
or whatever.
Or try Griezmann.
Well, you can
Ond
see
os
from the
mae'r sgôr
graphic
nhw yn
how
above
busy
3,
he's
yn
been
cadw y
around
sgôr
that
beth
18-yard
pan ydyn nhw'n
box.
cael. Ond mewn
Really
FIFA
has
20,
kept the keeper busy.
os ti'n cael
Should be
5 red
walked in.
card a cael ei game
Now we've
abandoned,
reached half-time.
mae'r opposition, mae'r sgôr nhw yn cael ei capped at 3. So os nhw wedi sgorio
Not
10
often,
goals,
Alan, do you
mae'n
see
mynd nôl
one
lawr I
man
3.
have one
Hwna
half
beth rwy'n fi'n
like
trio
he's
gyda
had.
yn y
Oh,
game
it was
fi.
a top performance in that first half. Couple of
But the
goals
gear
for him, and
ever
everything he
gwneud mewn FIFA
tried
yw trio just
came off.
cael
He
ei game
scared
abandoned.
that defence to death, and
Mae'n methu
just be
chwarae
hoping to do the
unrhyw
same in the
ffordd
second
arall.
half.
Ond rwy'n fi ddim yn manage cael 4 red card yn y game fi. Sad. Rwy'n fi yn gwneud mewn gwaith unwaith. Rwy'n fi'n erbyn un o'r teammates fi, oherwydd mewn gwaith ni yn chwarae FIFA 20 fel trwy lunchtime. Rwy wedi ennill fel un game mewn 7 mis. Rwy'n meddwl? Ond really bad. Ydy hwnna hanner amser?
Yeah.
Ww. Ti'n meddwl ti'n gallu pull fe nôl? Mewn 10 munud? That's the spirit. Mae Morgan wedi dweud bod y score difference yn 3 dim yn amhosib.
Exactly.
You don't often get a first half as one-sided as this one. They've
Come
been
on,
very good,
Paddy.
the team that are leading, of course.
Dangos Frank be ti'n neud o. Oh. Da iawn, boys. Oh, be ti'n neud, boys.
Mbappe. Trying so hard to make the opening there.
Beth oedd
Nearly.
hwnna?
Sut dyn ni pob pas yn neud cyrfa flipping Pereira?
Pogba on the move and able to cut out the
Easy bit.
pass. Icardi trying to find the opening, which would be so crucial.
Oh,
Played the
interception.
interception.
Oh,
Brilliant play.
And that will
Brilliant.
end the threat, at least for the
Rwy'n
moment.
tip back too much.
Oh, nice pass.
Verratti. Well, he has got a chance to get the cross in. Cavani.
Oh, Cavani!
He's got the ball
Corner,
away from
corner.
the danger momentarily, but it is a corner following that good tackle. Short corner.
What?
That's one back well. Here's Conte.
Are you kidding
Ben
me?
Yedder. That could open them up.
Oh!
Well, they
Oh!
managed to get out of harm's way then, because it looked as though there was going to be some real damage done to them. Well, the ball's been deflected out, so it'll be a throw-in. Saw the pass.
See the opposition with all that.
Yeah, you're good.
Right, yeah, see with it.
He had to go for that and take the risks, but he's got away.
Oh,
with
wow.
the
What
ball
a pass.
and no penalty. And he's flagged offside.
Oof, offside.
Angel Di Maria. Verratti. Neymar. Mbappe. They've
Mbappe!
got a man out wide. Trying to spot potential
Oh!
to open them up.
Potential.
Kicking the ball well.
No, what was that?
It's not really away.
Go on,
Clearance.
McAllen.
It's a good ball. They could be.
Oh!
Superb
Oh!
goalkeeping from Hugo Lloris.
I don't think another keeper.
Oh, my flipping head. Dylan boy, beth i'n neud, man? Di pwrsio fe trwy'r amser.
But in world football has got better reflexes than the Frenchman.
It's a triple substitution.
Ooh, dod o Dembele ar ôl. That cool. They put six.
Well, he's decided to
Feck
play
it.
it to his teammate for a short corner. Shot on! Fekir.
Oh, Fekir, sorry.
Now he's got the ball. What's he going to do with it?
Oh,
He's
brilliant.
given
Nice
possession
pass to
away
the
here.
opposition,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
diolch.
Ti eisiau gift wrap o'r pale hefyd?
Well, they couldn't keep possession. They've given it away.
Oh!
Oh, he spotted the pass and
Little
cut it out.
reception winner.
Neymar. Angel Di Maria. And there's the interception. Chance to go at the opposition with pace. Fekir. Griezmann. Dembele.
Oh! Oh! Wedi wedi cael... Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, honestly, os rwy'n mynd now.
Rwy'n not chance fan o... Oh, mae wedi mynd.
Come on.
Hwna'n agos. Hwna'n agos iawn. Mae Conor 1.4 wedi dweud he's got the skills to pay the bills.
Mae an, ond.
Ond y bit. Neu. Pwy sy'n arall sy'n mewn y chat te? Unrhyw regulars? Efo ni hefyd?
Come on, boys.
Pushed that
3
away from
munud.
danger.
3 munud, 3 goal.
We've had an hour gone here and still 30 minutes left.
Ooh.
Cavani. Cavani.
Gonna do...
Here's Gio
Oh.
giving the ball away.
Right. Red dead te.
Pro tip, ti angen defender y pale.
Conte. Matuidi. Coman.
Oh, mae'n troi.
Turn here with that
Oh my
pass.
god, ble mae'r defence ti? Oh!
Well, Well, it was the final ball to set up the chance, and it would have been, but for the interception. Edinson Cavani. Verratti.
Oh!
Dolores is the goalkeeper. Couldn't keep it. Well, he seemed to see a pass there that none of us could see from where we're commentating from.
Oh!
Chance
I
to
can't
break
remember.
away now on the counter.
Nah. Ref 50 goal for
That's
now.
a missed opportunity on the counter-attack. Neymar. One to chase down. It's gone over the defenders.
Oh!
Takes the shot
No.
off. Got to do
Hey!
better than that, really, to beat
Penalty,
the keeper.
yeah?
Yeah, because
nah.
he is
Oh,
a good
Twrnamaint,
goalkeeper,
no.
good positioning.
The yellow card's coming
Mbappe!
out. He knew it was a booking, and now he's shown him the yellow.
It was one of those, was on the ball.
Oh, to the injury goal. Can't
Unlucky
say.
perhaps to get booked for that.
See, good tactic you can make. It would come to
Rafael
worst
Varane.
chwarae or then just absolutely cymryd allan the best chwarae nhw.
Dembele.
So, you know, mae'n matter os mae'r worst player ti cymryd card. Os ti'n injure or strike nhw. It's tactical.
Coman.
Sacrificing the player.
Still got a bit. Coman. It's come off the
Oh!
goalkeeper, still in play. Beautifully.
Frick off.
Flag
Frick
out for
off.
offside. It's not
Oh,
going to count.
Well, really
Oh,
good
offside!
organisation from the
Offside!
defence,
Oh!
but it was
Oh, my
offside
God!
looking at it.
Oh,
Thiago
no.
Silva. Now Bernat. Verratti.
What is that?
Lucas, give me a pass.
Waste of space, you douchebag.
Dembele.
What? What? Be a player.
Cavani. Icardi. 20
Icardi.
minutes of the 90 still to play.
Oh,
From
yeah. See,
PSG in possession.
bro.
Safe, bro. Should have passed that.
Dembele.
Yeah, Nissi Basquiat.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
And here's the shot. That's great defending with the block.
Os mae sweaty goals yn
Angel Di
gweithio,
Maria.
pan wyt ti ddim yn gwneud yn unrhyw?
Neymar. Edinson Cavani.
Oh,
That's a
this is
turnover in play.
a laugh.
Defend your ball. Oh.
Switch, you damn piece of crap.
Oh!
Well, the hands that didn't look.
Well, you're right to be
I've had a
Brasky,
modern
L1,
house.
like 25 times. Oh, reach that. Right, formation, dim yn gweithio. Mynd am hwnna.
Ti'n siwr?
Yeah.
Unwaith, pryd roedd fi'n chwarae FIFA at lunchtime mewn gwaith, roedd fi'n chwarae... Pa tîm sy'n cael Ronaldo?
Juventus, Piemonte.
Piemonte! That's the one. Roedd fi'n chwarae Piemonte, a roedd fi'n choose a different formation. A roedd fi'n rhoi... what was his name again?
No.
Ronaldo. Roedd fi'n rhoi Ronaldo on the left
So
back.
secure. Look a bit
I
safer
don't
now.
know.
Yeah, that'll make him feel a little bit better about himself.
Is left back a football? Or is it just rugby?
In from Antoine Griezmann. Well, the play's broken
Is
down
it?
now.
Yeah.
Punched away by the goalkeeper.
Yeah, left back, that's the one. Roedd fi'n rhoi him in left back position.
He doesn't want to lose it here.
Useless. Roedd fi'n absolutely useless for a position yna.
By Paris Saint-Germain standards, this has been, well, below par. Underwhelming, really.
Yeah, it has. And
Yes,
a bit of a shock.
Yes,
Well, not a bit of a shock, a big shock.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh, beth oedd hwnna?
That's not too tight,
Vicky.
Beth ydy'r sloppy tackles, Ryan Rhys?
Now he's got the
You lose
ball.
a cool
What's he
team.
going to do
Take
with
it.
it?
Calm down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in.
Thomas Meunier
Breathe out.
with great vision here.
Oh! Oh!
This one.
Come on.
Not a nice challenge. Will the ref do? Clearly a booking. Out comes the yellow card.
Well, he reached straight for his pocket. He didn't really think about it, but I think that's the good call. He's normally good from these set plays, and his teammates are expecting a good ball in.
Draxler. Paris Saint-Germain given the throw.
Oh my
Oh,
god!
has literally tossed
Oh,
possession
still
away.
no throw in. Peidiwch rusio, Rhys.
Dembele. N'Golo Conte.
Uh-oh.
Steered through.
Mae'n... Can he ensure it?
Griezmann.
Na, mae'n injured. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n edrych yn limpo.
Conte. Good vision.
Oh.
Over the back of the defenders.
Oh.
Well, the keeper's got that.
Oh,
Made a quick
frick up,
interception.
man, dumbass piece of... Yeah, a bit of safe,
Tricky.
Red. You safe, mate.
Conte. Dembele.
Dwi'n colli tymor ti a little bit, Rhys.
Shots on
Dwi'n
here.
bach, hwnna.
Still dangerous here. On
Oh!
the goalkeeper.
Oh! Rwy'n meddwl roedd hwn yn mynd I rebound yna.
Neymar, not much more than a bystander so far.
Well, his team are losing, and
Neymar.
I'm sure his defenders and midfielders will be demanding a bit more, a lot more perhaps, from this attacker who needs to start hitting the target.
Here's Icardi.
Oh my
To keep
god.
possession, that's the way they play, but they're not doing it. And the ball's got away from him.
What's that?
Ready
And,
for the second
Herrera.
word?
Icardi. Thomas Meunier. Mbappe.
Mbappe!
Icardi.
Ah,
He's got
what's
the ball back
that?
for his team with that tackle. Neatly intercepted.
Neatly intercepted.
Mbappe. Can he set himself now?
Oh! Plunder post!
Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there.
Ah, what's that?
As a crap pass.
Griezmann. A chance to break away.
Here you
now
go,
on the counter.
opposition.
This
Come on,
is how they love
Halo.
to play on the break.
Oh, nah.
Got
Chip
to
it
keep his
in.
nerve here.
Suck on that.
Sweeping upfield.
Straight
and
in.
scoring in style.
Well, it's the perfect example of a modern-day counter-attack, Martin. Wonderful.
For the goalkeeper,
Keep coughing
another
fun if
bad
he.
moment. Certainly not his first of the
Just
day.
to really do
He's
it.
got to try
Watched
and
it
pick
Rhys
himself
there.
up now, Martin.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
still a game going
Oh.
on out
At
there.
least, right? Between
Well, we're in the
this
last
and
few
my
minutes
score,
now, and the die has been cast in this game, really.
Scored a proper goal.
Yeah, I mean,
For
It
Keane.
was a nice goal.
my stop on breastfeed.
When he stopped
Intercepted
pressing.
well.
Ah!
Most of his footwork, the
My well-known
goalkeeper.
fact that os ti'n sgwr o sweaty goals, ti dan breastfeed.
Bernat.
Ti'n gwybod fel Little Britain?
With his skill, here's
Yeah.
a chance to have a run at goal and take the opposition on. Icardi. That's great defending there, stopping that attack.
I've been happy.
Coman. Griezmann.
Wedi bod yn y bachgen sy'n helpu
Here's Kingsley Coman.
just find
He
independence.
saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going.
Overall, dwi'n
Read it.
meddwl hyn yn win-win scenario.
Yeah,
Got
you
one
sure?
possession back with
Fe
that
di
tackle.
ennill y gêm, ond dwi di ennill am bwyd. Nawr mae'n...
Anticipated the direction of the puck.
Da iawn dyn nhw'n gweud.
Over.
Tony.
And the referee blows the whistle for the last time. Already behind, and they've taken another
Yeah.
hit today. Beaten
Hwn yn
today
game da,
to
so
the
mae Dylan yn
opposition
mynd
they've
i'r
got there.
finals. Nice. Yeah, pob luck I Dylan yn y finals. Tybed? Tybed? Yeah, tybed pwy ti'n mynd yn erbyn. Let's gweld mewn y WhatsApp group, gweld os mae'r results o'r game arall wedi dod mewn. Let's gweld. Roedd gen ti 10 shots, Rhys. 9 ar target. Dim ond 2 llai.
Mae'n possession.
Yeah. Well, shot accuracy yn 1% less. Mae'n Dylan yn erbyn Hugh. Nice. Mae Dylan wedi dweud game da, Rhys. Agosach na beth roedd y sgôr yn dangos.
Ie, dwi'n teimlo'n drwg nawr am bod yn gas i fe.
Mae just trash talk mewn y game yn fine.
Just trash talk,
Game da, Dylan.
Dwi'n gadael.
Da iawn a pob luck yn y final.
Ie, tîm yn sgwr sweaty goals, wel, ond nhw'n effeithio.
Nhw'n effeithio.
Cadw moyn.
It's a fair tactic.
Da iawn ti'n ennill yn hawdd.
Yeah, mynd a ennill final. Well, nice. Wel, hwn yn am heddiw te.
Ie, short and sweet.
Anffodus, bydd ni methu streamo'r final oherwydd does dim spectator mode mewn FIFA sy'n Well, that's a shame. Hopefully, mewn un o'r like, FIFA's nesaf bydd nhw'n add a spectator mode. Fi'n ffordd yn awesome, bydd e? Os rydyn nhw'n add fel... imagine os rydyn nhw'n adio fel... like, multiplayer tournament mode. Ble ti'n gallu fel... invite o 10 pobl neu rhywbeth mewn i tournament. A bydd fe'n settle on a bracket, so fel... I don't know. Rhywbeth fel hwnna. Mae'n good.
Ie, na, da iawn Dylan, boi gêm da, gêm da.
Ie.
A'r 8 o gloch nawr, mewn i'n 5 munud, cael mas i cablo am NHS.
Yes. Nice. A dwi'n mynd i dechrau final at 8 o 5. So, yeah. Diolch pawb am gwylio. Ac pob lwc i Dylan yn y final. Ac Hugh hefyd.
Boi Cian yn enll, nawr nes ti'n curo o wain am ni, so...
Yeah.
Ti'n enll am ni.
Yeah. Yeah, ti on ennill am ni nawr. Awesome, so diolch pawb am gwylio. Sorry bod e'n stream short, ond just stream am y tournament. Ond yeah, cadwch eich llygaid ar y Discord ni. Bydd ni'n rhoi updates nhw fyna pryd ni'n mynd i stream y nesaf. Ac hefyd bydd ni'n trio update o y schedule newydd ar Twitch. Rwy'n bydd jyst wedi adio fel schedule yn peth. Ni'n dal trio deall sut i defnyddio fe ar y foment, ond yeah, bydd ni'n trio cadw hwnna updated yn wythnosol. Ond yeah, diolch am gwylio. Gweld i gyd yn y stream nesaf.
Diolch guys.
Hwyl fawr.
Ta-ra.